friends, thanks so much for signing up for my newsletter. As a thank you, I've sent you the pantry and freezer inventory sheets, and I just wanted to give you 3 quick tips on how to use them. So in this PDF file, you will see there's 2 kinds of sheets. You'll see a colored form of the sheets and also a form of the sheets that you can print off with just black ink. And both of them are set up the same way. So on each sheet, you'll see a section for the name of the item or the meal that you've made. There's a section to either put in the date that you made it. So if you made a freezer meal, you can put the date that you made that freezer meal there. Or if you're tracking something such as canned goods or boxed goods in your kitchen cabinets, you can put an expiration date. That way you can make sure that you've used those items before they expire. There's also a section for marking off the quantity, and I'll give you a quick tip on how to use that section. Typically what I do is I will write down the name of all the items that I have, and then instead of putting an X, because I want to make sure that I've marked, first of all, how many I have, so I do a single slash mark indicating how many I have on the shelf. So the diced tomatoes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 on the shelf. When I actually use the item, I put a hash mark in the other direction. So like for the crushed tomatoes, I had 3, and this mark here indicates I've used 1. That way I can see how many I have, how many I've used, and I don't have to keep printing off the sheets over and over again. So as for the sheets, the quick tips that I have, you can use them by printing them out and just marking on them with pen or pencil. You can also put the printed sheets inside of a plastic sheet protector. This is something that you would see like your kids putting their book report in for school. They can be found in stores such as Walmart or in a store such as Staples. They only cost a couple of bucks, and you get 10 at a time, and that way you can put all your sheets inside of there. And what I do with those, I use a dry erase marker, and I do the exact same thing. I write on the plastic sheet itself the name of the item, and I put my little hash marks. And when I want to use the sheet again, I just take a paper towel and wipe all the dry erase marker off. The third way that you can use them is to use the PDF as a digital file inside of a note-taking app such as Goodnotes or Noteshelf. And once you import that file directly into the program, then you can open it up and use it as you would with any other file in the note-taking app. So those are the 3 ways that I have that you can use these sheets. Hope that was helpful. Keep an eye out for the next newsletter filled with lots of tips, recipes, and other information to help you work smarter, not harder in the kitchen.